Hi guys, today's topic is very interesting. Listen carefully and watch full video. So, did you know what is the difference between made of and made from? Just ask yourself, can you get the wood back from paper? Of course not. Then we use from here. Paper is made from wood. Okay. Next, cheese made blank milk. So, can you get back milk from cheese? Of course not. So, we use from here. The bottle is made blank plastic. Can you get the plastic bag from the bottle? What do you think? Yes, you can. So, use of here. The bottle is made of plastic. The ring is made blank gold. Of or from. So, guys, you do this one. And remember, we use made of when we can get it. When we can get it back. We use made of. And we use made from when we can't get it back. Alright. So, waiting for your answer in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Please do subscribe.